Let us start the example of A star search algorithm. Consider this is an example. This is a country, Romania. We need to find out the minimum shortest path between two cities, Arad as well as Bucharest. So in between there are many cities are there, that is CPU, that is an Râmnicu, Vilția and Pitești are among other cities. So here we need to find out. First one is the initial state. We are starting from this particular city, Arad. Therefore, this city we have taken like this, Arad. So we have got the answer is 366. So because of here, the function we need to consider here, that is particular f of n. This formula we need to use, f of n, that's equals to g of n plus h of n. Okay, we need to consider this formula. This path cost, maximum path cost, final path cost equals to path cost between any two nodes plus its heuristic functions. Okay, next see this problem. Okay, that is before we are having this example. So in this example, Arad is the initial city, or we have started the search from this particular city, Arad, and these are its given heuristic values. So where Arad is there, see heuristic values 366. Okay, so therefore we need to consider here in this particular equation f of n, that's equals to g of n is initial city. You have started search from here, therefore 0 plus 366. So that's equals to 366. Okay, now come to our problem here. So that is 366 is the answer, because 0 we have started from this particular city Arad plus its particular heuristic function values 366, therefore 366. Next we know to go to this particular map here, Arad. Next nearest cities are these three, that is Oradea, CPU, Timisoara. So these three are its nearest cities. We need to expand this one. So next we can get like this here. Arad, it is already over. CPU, Timisoara as well as Zerrich. So these three are the cities. Again we need to apply the same formula for this particular city, CPU. So see this particular graph here. Arad to CPU, the path cost g of n equals to 140. So therefore here they have taken 140. And next year for this Arad, okay, to next, sorry, it is CPU. So for this CPU, next city, that is its heuristic value is 253. 253. So therefore we need to consider here again this particular function, that is f of n, that's equals to g of n plus h of n. So therefore f of n, that's equals to its path cost is 140 plus heuristic values 200 as well as 53. Answer is here 393. So 393 is the answer. You can check here. See the answer. Here it is 393. Similarly, other two cities. And next year from CPU, we need to check the next cities through the reaching this particular destination of Bucharest. So CPU, next city are the Făgăraș as well as Râmnicu Vilția. as well as Herat once again. So these are cities. So next here we are expanding this particular CPU. CPU is whatever Arad is there, Fagaras is there, Oradia is there. That is Rimniku Vilcia is the city. This Rimniku Vilcia, we see its particular path cost, that is Rimniku Vilcia 140 from Eraz to Sibiu. Distance is 140. Sibiu to Rimniku Vilcia is 80. Therefore, this is 220 here. Next, see its respective heuristic function value. Rimniku Vilcia. See Rimniku Vilcia, it is 193. So then how to apply this one here? That is 220 plus 193. So therefore here 220 is its particular, that is path cost value, and we have to check here this particular, that is its heuristic function value of Rimniku Vilcia, that is 193. So therefore 220 plus 193. Okay, that's answer 413. 413. Let us check the answer. This one. Okay, here. See the answer. This is 413. And we mentioned here that is the f equal to g plus h. H values are the straight line distances to Bucharest. Similarly, just we go to the map here. So after Rimniku Vilcia, its neighboring cities are Pitești as well as Kralova. So we expand this one further here. After expanding Rimniku Vilcia, we are having Arad is there, Fagaras is there, Orad is there, Rimniku Vilcia is already over. So next we need to expanding Fagaras. So this is not required for us. We need this particular Rimniku Vilcia. So consider this particular city, that is Pitești. So this Pitești, where exactly it is there? Let us check here. Here it is Pitești. Distance from Arad to Sibiu is 140. Sibiu to Rimniku Vilcia is 80. So Rimniku Vilcia to Pitești is again 97. So therefore 220 plus 97, that is 317. So this respective heuristic values we need to find out, that is Pitești is 100. So we need to calculate here its particular total path cost value for this particular city. So that is here 317 plus 100. So that means here we are calculating this one f of n. Okay, f of n, that's equals to its particular complete path cost, g of n 317 plus 100. 317 plus here, that is particular 100. So total we are getting is here 417. 417. So 417, see here, that is here 417. So like this we need to expand. So Pitești, so there Pitești is there. We need to see the graph once again. So next Pitești, its nearest cities are Rimniku Vilcia, already expanded. Again here there is a Craiova as well as Bucharest. So we need to consider this particular Bucharest is the destination node or our goal node, and we need to check here this particular Bucharest is having the value that is particularly 0, because this is our destination, and here we need to take the particular distance from direct air distance Eraz to this particular Bucharest. 317 plus 101, that is 418. So we need to consider here once again applying this formula. So that is we are having f of n. Okay, f of n, that's equals to g of n 418 18 plus its heuristic value 0 because this is our destination. So therefore answer is 418. Okay, 418. Once again we verify this particular answer here. Okay, see here, Bucharest 418. Similarly, expand for other cities also, Craiova, Rymnicu, that is the Ilcia. So its answer is 650. This is 607. Therefore, shortest answer means less value. Total less path cost value is 418. Therefore, we have to consider this Bucharest. So this one is the minimum shortest path using A-star algorithm from the city Eraz to Bucharest. Thank you.